So this controller obviously has no power. The homeowners are moving, and so I have my little tool, Armada Model Pro 48. You can see solenoid off, thin, good, short, open clock. You can read all that. Anyways, so what this device does is, you see the green light, it means it's good. What I do is I hook my negative wire, or the black wire, into the common. So now I'm going to change zones. I'm just going to leave it on, and you're wondering how I flick that. There on top, you can see the little switch there. You got three settings. There's center. Nothing is on. That would be in the off mode. The purpose for this is, one, to determine whether a solenoid is good or bad. Two, I also use this to winterize irrigation systems that have no power. Over on the left side you have activate, solenoid, and chatter. Here on top you have the switch for the solenoid off and send tone. Over here on your left side is your activate and chatter button. This is a very simple device. Nothing to it. It does take a 9-volt, maybe two 9-volt batteries. Back here on the back is all your instructions. The best way to explain this device is, if you have a irrigation solenoid that you think may be bad and not coming on, so other than the other forms and methods that I normally use at the controller to identify that, this is one way that you can identify the solenoid itself. You would take the black wire, and they both have alligator clips. There's only two wires. You have a black and a red. You would take black wire, hook up to one side, and you would take the red wire and hook up to the other side. There's two wires on the solenoid valve. You hook up one wire to one wire to the other. Once that's done, you click this over, okay? Notice there's a open in that. Now if I touch these two together, I'm going to try to do here real quick. You can see that there's a short. Open it up, short. And the reason why it's saying there's a short is because it's not going through a solenoid. So I have a controller here. We can test it here. Over here I hook up to the common. Over here I'm just going to hook up to, per se, valve number 4 with the little alligator clip. With it in the off mode, there's nothing there. Okay? I'm going to switch this over to solenoid because that's what I want to test. And you can tell that it is good. The good icon, green light, comes on. It's as simple as that. This tool is to confirm that a solenoid is good or if it is bad. The other reason that I use this device is when a controller like this one has no electricity for whatever reason. I believe the homeowners are moving and that is why the electricity is out. I use this device to energize the solenoids so that I can winterize the irrigation system, or so that I can turn that system on, that zone on. If I want to power it up for whatever reason, whether I'm starting it up, looking for a leak, or winterization. I hope this video helps. Till next time.